Good evening, everybody. I'm gonna do this spur of the moment garden tour because I'm telling you, the garden is crazy right now. The pots, the containers look amazing. Look at these flowers. And I love to look back on this stuff in the fall and winter and say, wow, look at that. Bougainvillea. And look at this beauty. It's pretty epic. Limelight standard hydrangea tree. Was able to get that for a deal because it was broken. I'm gonna get that Patriot hosta from Melissa in there and then just scroll you around. This isn't gonna be a crazy long tour, but there's some things like this Nephofia red hot poker that are just too much not to share. Look at that thing. Then when we go down here, look at these plants. They are just growing and doing their thing. It's amazing. So here we are down here at my little garden room. Oh, that red hot poker is blooming like there's no tomorrow. So now, there's Wonder. We're gonna walk around, please excuse the hose. This tower from Tammy, that Tammy gave me last year. Look at that thing putting on the blooms. It's beautiful. So coming over here, the daylilies were why we started this garden. And the daylilies are epic this year. The cone flowers were our first big addition that we hadn't grown. They never disappoint. So we're gonna just roll around, see. Got some storm cloud verbena there. Some rocks, well, I don't guess it's rock sand. Some geranium. Our sugar shack button bush is getting sort of towards the end. But look at this stuff. Oh, I didn't come over and do this one. This has got to be my favorite daylily this year. It's right now like 8 o'clock at night. Look at how rich that color is, even after it has been in the baking sun all day. And all these blooms that I'm pulling off, that's how much it bloomed yesterday. It's just such a beautiful daylily. I know that there are people out there that are daylily snobs, but I'm telling you, you're missing out. I'm talking about a daylily snob. Look at these red hot pokers. You know, they are considered an old-fashioned plant. Nobody wants to grow them. Holy moly, these are epic this year. And now we're coming back here. Oh, the floor clocks are so big. Oh, you're a good boy. That they have fallen over. Look at those things. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. And look how tall this bunch of daylilies is. It has to be at least 4 feet tall. Can you believe that? In there is a little lime punch. And it's 2 or 3 years old. That's how big the daylilies are. All right, we're gonna roll back around. Like I said, I'm gonna make this pretty quick because we're gonna run out of light. But this is going well. This post has got some blue plumbago, some fuchsia, celosia, jazzberry, and of course we've got some dianthus down there. Lamb's ear. The mandevilla is blooming and growing. That was part of my $1 a plant collection from Lowe's this year. Look at that. Isn't that just amazing? I've got a couple hydrangeas in here I wanted to share. Look at that baby. I think it's also a little lime punch putting on a show. But my favorite for this summer is this firelight. Look at how pretty these blooms are. They are so lacy and gorgeous and all over the plant. I'm telling you, I'm getting more firelights because they're just out of this world. Now next to us is a 5-foot tall bobo hydrangea. Back here we've got a cascade butterfly bush blooming behind another little lime punch. And holy moly, I can't even get back far enough for you to really see this well. A chase tree, Vitex. This thing is incredible. It must be 8 or 10 feet tall now, covered in the most beautiful purple blooms. The pollinators are crazy over it. I love it. Our yarrow still going strong under here. All right, we're gonna move on around. I'm gonna back up, see if we can get another shot of this chase tree. Isn't that gorgeous? It is worth putting in your garden. If I can get a close-up of the blooms, it is epic. You can see our banana trees. They're coming on, they're huge. Oleander in the pots. And daylilies coming out. This one is so pretty. It's hard to get the color right. But you see we have all these different ones, different colors. Bee balm there in the back. They're just putting on the best show. I'm in love with all these yellows. They're beautiful. Another oleander. Let me come around. We have some cleome, some gaillardia, another huge banana tree. And if I look back over that bed, look how wonderful that is. That has daffodils first, then iris, then daylilies, then bee balm, and the loropetalum is there all the time. It's really a great bed. Now here's some pugster blue butterfly bushes, and I thought they were only supposed to be 3 feet tall. I guess when they're happy, they get bigger. We're gonna come around. Look, we've got coneflowers and black-eyed Susans blooming together. And I'm starting to see our hardy hibiscus budding up. Right here, all these tall orange things, they're closing up because of the night. We'll have to get a better shot of them. This pillar, Rose of Sharon, on either side of this path has just been gorgeous this year. And now you can see Miss Molly butterfly bushes. Then there's a beautiful Grand Cascade butterfly bush up there. Look at that thing. It has been blooming and blooming. Really, all three of these have been blooming now for so long. It's so worth it. And to go over here, the Skittles bed for the daylilies. Isn't it amazing? We have so many gorgeous daylilies right now. I love it. We have a crepe myrtle bush right here. I'm gonna come around again quickly. A white mandevilla. Good job, little buddy. But back here, the daylilies are all the rage right now. It's daylily central. We've got some more coneflowers. It's just when your garden finally thickens up and it becomes what you were hoping. So we're walking around. We've got dogs all hanging out on our, hey, psst, on our floats. Bravo, party boy. I think I better get those floats back into the pool before they are no more. But here are some of our pots. Aren't they wonderful? That's Hoopla Vivid Orchid, some Wedgwood Pink, Wedgwood Blue, Angelonia. These are the new Tiara Pink, Tiara Blue petunias. Then some good old bubblegum. Bubblegum never disappoints. I'm gonna get over here. These are so pretty with the verbena. Oh, the meteor shower verbena in the top is doing really well. All right, I'm gonna come around here. Can see all these plants under here. Look at that show they're putting on. And this begonia, you cannot stop it. That thing deserves a medal. I would not be surprised if it wins some huge medal at the end of this summer for performance. And this is so cute. So we're gonna come back around. But I just had to give you a quick look through the garden this evening. I hope your night is going great. We love you. We hope to see you again. Look at that limelight. Enjoy your summer. Enjoy all these blessings. Good night.